What's up, guys? Kalen here. You are one step closer from clicking the link that you just clicked. You are one step closer to producing the results that you wanted. One step closer to creating that freedom lifestyle that you wanted. One step closer to learning how to make money online through affiliate marketing, through internet marketing. You are one step closer. Do not give up. Guys, I went through program after program. You know, some scams, some not, some effective, some not as effective. But I finally found that program that creates a new person within you. It changes your life. Not only in the business side of being an entrepreneur, but it also changed my life and my way of thinking, how my relationship with money, how people make money. 96% of the world only shares about 4% of the world's revenue, and 4% of the world shares 96% of the revenue. That's crazy, mind-blowing. Guys, it's time to be a part of that 4%. And trust me, the 4% that I'm talking about does not have a 9-to-5 job. The 4% that I'm talking about has multiple streams of income. They make money while they sleep. They don't make money sitting at a desk 9 to 5 working for someone else. They make money from multiple streams of income. They are their own boss besides their customers and people who they market to, but they are their own boss and command money. They command money and live the lifestyle that you and I desire. But guys, it can be yours. It can be yours today. Those results that you're longing for and that you've been waiting for, they can be yours. Like I said, I went through program after program, product after product, money, just throwing it away, just trying to reach my lifestyle, the goals that I have. But I finally found that program, and I want you to check it out. I want you to check it out today. So below me is a yellow box, right here, right below me. This yellow box, so where you can put your information in, and then you'll get an email from me. Just giving you a little bit about me, introducing myself, but also introducing this program that I found that will teach you step by step as a beginner, not intermediate, not advanced, but as a beginner, on how you can make money online and how you can be the internet marketer that you desire, that you want to be, and get the results that you want and create the lifestyle that you want. So click the yellow button below me, the big yellow button, click it, put your email address in. You'll get an email from me also introducing myself and the program a little more. But also, after you put your information in, you'll be redirected to my mentor Vic, who has taught me and thousands of others how to become a part of this 4%. You can do it. It's up to you. Just click below, put your information in, check out my email that I'll send you, and also check out Vic next that you'll be redirected to, and take the leap of faith, guys. I'm telling you, you have nothing to lose. I will tell you, it's only $1 to try this program. $1. $1. We all have $1 to just to not throw away, because you're not going to throw it away with this program. But we all have $1 that we can set aside or invest as into yourself. $1. Check it out right now. See you in the 4%. Peace.